Welcome to Cut Movie Reviews. My name is Arpit,
My name is Prakhar.
and we review this movie from Cut.
To cut.
And our today's movie is director Kanti Shah is a genius, and he doesn't belong with the mortals. His method can be only compared with work of Quentin Tarantino. With that said, let us give you a fair idea about this movie. This movie is more complex than Donnie Darko. Apparently, the entire movie actually takes place in parallel universe.
The acting in this movie is superb. Apparently, superb is like the understatement. It's out of the world. It's
The rating of this movie is 8.1. This is actually Mughal-e-Azam of bad movies.
talking about the protagonist of the movie, the main actor, the main lead of the movie is none other than Mithun Aila.
And his name is Shankar.
Oh.
And the villain of this movie is named Bulla.
मेरा नाम है बुल्ला रखता हूँ खुल्ला खुल्लम खुल्ला.
Even he rhymes in really awkward situation, and even in really awkward way.
आना होगा पास जा भैया.
Now coming to the names in this movie, you got some names like
Name of characters.
Yeah.
Some characters are named Ibu Atela,
Lambu Ata.
Inspector Kale. One character who is Shetty,
Yeah,
and his name is
Kala Shetty. Yeah,
literally his name is Kala
Kala
Shetty.
Shetty. And the best name which we have come across is like it was like Bahu. What was this like?
Babu Bhai Bagona.
Babu Bhai Bigona. What the?
Babu Bhai Bagona, and he is actually a politician. And brother of Bulla is Chutia.
Yeah, Chutia.
Who is he? He's Shakti Kapoor.
Shakti Kapoor. Aila Shakti Kapoor. It's Chutia. What the hell is this? And one guy in the movie is like Lucky Chicken or something. Character is really strong one.
Yeah.
You will later on you will see in this review how deadly he is to the people.
अरे पिताजी घर पे आए क्या दोस्त?
Talking about the clothing, how people actually wear clothes in this movie, and you will
God.
see. Look at this guy. Look at the clothing sense. Like,
I mean,
wow.
Two people can come inside one jacket of Shankar.
And in this scene, just look at what Shankar is wearing right now. Like, on that particular shirt, he's actually wearing that necklace.
Yeah, the big necklace here. I think it's acting as a tie or something. If you don't have tie, you got a
I
necklace.
just don't know. Moving on, just we will talk a little bit about the story. Well, to be very honest, there is no story in this movie.
Yeah.
Shankar is father of Terminator,
Yeah.
or like maybe elder brother of Rambo.
Yeah,
because he almost killed me about like 400 or 500
400
people in this
500
movie.
people in
Yeah. And everything is done
in a
promptly.
flash. In a flash. like-
Everything is done promptly. Like Bulla called his goon, actually called his goon
called-
to just pick Shankar's sister.
And he
in the
sees-
next scene, what you will see is this.
शंकर की बहन को उठा ले.
Moving on, talking about funny dialogues in like serious
in a
situations,
serious situation, you cannot even act funny, but there are dialogues which are
which are funny.
funny. Yeah.
In one situation, Bulla's sister is actually raped by Lambuata, and she's no more. And see how Bulla reacts.
मुन्नी, मुन्नी मेरी बहन मुन्नी, मुन्नी, मुन्नी मेरी बहन मुन्नी, तो तू मर गई? लंबू ने तुझे लंबा कर दिया, माचिस की तीली को खंबा कर दिया। अरे मेरे दिल में क्या क्या अरमान थे तेरे लिए। मैंने तो तेरे लिए 300 छोकरे देखे थे, वो भी एकदम चिकने। जो तुझे भाता वही तेरा पति बनता है, मगर तू तो कटेला गुर्दा यानी कि मुर्दा हो गई।
And the guy who actually raped Bulla's sister in the revenge of his brother's death, and now we'll show you.
देख, कुंदन मरने का नहीं, मगर मेरे पूछे मरने का नहीं। अगर तू मर गया तो मैं मजा किसके साथ करेगा? याद है तेरे को जब हम दोनों कोले थे? तू मेरे से ज्यादा चिकना था रे, तू मेरे से ज्यादा चिकना था। तू छोकरी पटा के लाता था और मैं मजे करता था। याद है मेरा भाई कुंदन, वो धंधे वाली तेरे को याद है जो तेरे को बोलती थी, मेरे प्यारे चिकने कुंदन, लगाऊंगी तेरे को चंदन, पैरों के झूले में झुला के तेरे को पहुंच। अरे मर गया रे कुंदन, अरे मर गया रे कुंदन।
Half of the times, if the movie is going out of the plot, there is rape.
Moving on, talking about worst messengers
Oh my
in this
God.
movie.
Oh my
Like
God.
this movie has worst messenger on this planet, planet Earth. Like this guy. Just look at this guy. What happens here? Lambuata stabs this guy with like a big machete, I
Oh
think.
my god. And right in his stomach, right here.
This guy will actually.
That is the funniest scene. My god. This guy is crossing all the 7 seas. All the scenes are changing at his background.
Basically, he was just waiting to die in front of Bulla. And in this situation, Bulla's sister is raped by Lambuata, and look at this guy who is actually friend of Bulla. How he actually tells him.
क्या हुआ?
अरे उधर बस्ती में लंबू आटा ने आपकी बहन को लंबा कर दिया है।
Amazing dialogues in this movie. People reply in rhymes like they are some kind of poet.
जिस काम के लिए तू बिल्ली का दूध पीकर दिल्ली से आया है।
बुल्ला, तूने खुल्लम खुल्ला लंबू आटे को मौत के तवे में सेक दिया, उसकी लाश को वर्ली के गटर में फेंक दिया।
तुझे बनाकर मौत के मुंह का निवाला, तेरे सीने में गाड़ दूंगा मैं मौत का भाला।
बाप पे पुत, पिता पे घोड़ा, कुछ नहीं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा।
क्यों रे पाप की पानी की मछली, फिर तेरी शुरू हो गई खुजली?
अब तू देखेगी मेरे जुल्म का हल्ला, जब मैं पहनाऊंगा तेरी नाक में अपनी हवस का छल्ला।
तू आदमी नहीं है, तू है कुत्ते का पिल्ला। तुम लोगों की उतनी ही है जिंदगी जितनी देर रहता है पानी का बुलबुला।
Amazing expressions, amazing reactions.
शंकर, तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए था।
Just look at the reaction of Shankar's father. People are actually beating him in like
Like the
main
crowd
market.
is the main market. And he is a police inspector, first of all.
Yes.
His knowledge. He's a police inspector.
Watch
and
his
he's
reaction.
He's getting kicked.
Kicked
Yeah, people. By people.
बुल्ला का थूक चाटा है तुमने, पेशाब पिया उसका।
Lucky Chikna is owner of a brothel, and
And is this a way to talk to your employees?
अरे ओ रंडियो, ओ धंधे वालियों,
तेरी बहन कहाँ?
How can you hit a woman like this?
मैं नहीं जाऊंगी।
अरे मर गया रे कुंदन।
How to kill a minister of the state?
हट पीछे हट। सर, मंत्री जी की गाड़ी यहाँ से जा रही है एंड एवरीथिंग इज ओके।
How to walk alone. How to give reasons.
मेरी बहन की मौत का मजाक उड़ाया था ना, उस दिन कचरे की पेटी में जिस नन्ही बच्ची को फेंका था, वो तूने मेरे पिताजी को मार कर कहा था उस दिन मेरे बाप की मौत का मजाक उड़ा रहा था।
How to find true meaning of friendship.
अरे वो तो तेरा खासम खास था। तेरी बीवी उसके पास और उसकी बीवी तेरे पास सोती थी।
How to kill someone single-handedly. How to challenge gravity. How to save a baby. How to eat a tablet.
thank you guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like and comment.
And if you don't like it, then also just give us your feedback that what we can improve, and because it's the first time.
अरे मर गया रे कुंदन।